This model's striking blue camo pattern upper is its most noticeable characteristic. Depending on your perspective, the colors, which are based on rich blue tones including court blue, black, aluminium, blue tint, photo blue, and white, display various expressions. The camouflage pattern on the nylon upper makes you stand out more on the street. Additionally, the shoe's side TPU cage is composed of reflective material and has a feature that allows light to be reflected in the dark. This gives your feet an energetic appearance day or night. Functionality and style are combined in the distinctive zip-up shoelace cover. In addition to making it simpler to put on, this highlights the overall sleek silhouette and heightens the futuristic vibe. For ease of on and off, a loop is incorporated into the heel. Because of the apparent air in the sole, it provides excellent cushioning without sacrificing style. SRP is $180 US.